So there's the restaurant, you guys. It is freezing out here right now. In case you're wondering, they've got a great outdoor patio for the summertime, but they're right up on the Renaissance Hotel. Ooh, it's windy and it's cold. Okay. So this is the restaurant, looking really good. We've got the photo booth going. Yep. Kitchen, all of that. Outdoor patio looking great. Dining room, open kitchen. So there probably was paella at some point. I wonder if it has seafood in it. Humongous. When you mix the patatas bravas with the queso fundido, like you make your own dish. That and that. Two complimentary sangrias, and I'm going to enjoy both. I murdered that. This is almost done. I think this was my favorite, the patatas bravas. No. Yes, bravas. Hey y'all. So I am back from the event. It was pretty cool. I'm pretty sure there would have been a lot more people there had it not been 33 degrees outside. But I had a really good time. I think I got there a little late because they had this like giant pan of paella that was pretty much gone. And I think I missed like the past appetizers. But the tapas that I did have was pretty good. I had the queso fundido, and I had the patatas bravas, which is really good. And plus, like, I made both of those dishes in culinary school, so it was like that. And then you got like two complimentary sangrias, all for a free event, you guys, at this restaurant. So it was pretty good. Like, I had wanted to try this restaurant out before, and so I was like, when I saw the event, I was like, it's a no-brainer. So I'm so glad I went. I almost didn't because I was like, girl, it is cold out here if you feel what I'm saying to you. So anyway, I'm back home now. I was just about to live stream in my Chefpreneur Society group, and I was like running my mouth, and then my live stream just completely cut off. So I think that's just a sign that I need to save that for a video and do it that way. And yeah, y'all, so I'm about to twist up this hair, take off this makeup, turn up this heat, because it's gonna be like 24 degrees tonight in Texas. We normally don't get these type of temperatures till like January, and I'm like, it's November, boo. What? Like, normally I can wear dang near a sundress on Thanksgiving. So I'm not sure what's happening, but anyway, just wanted to come on and say I really enjoyed it. I met the special events and promotions manager who put the event on. And so, yeah, it was really good. Like, if I was still doing my restaurant tours, I would definitely go there. I didn't have anything on the menu that would be like for dinner. And I think one of the challenges that I would have with that restaurant is because it is tapas, there's a lot of pork. It's a lot of pork on the menu, and so I have been pretty much not eating pork. Like, just as that's just how my life is about to be set up. And so I was just like, it's a lot of pork on this menu, like, for sure. So anyway, that's the only challenge with that. But the sangria was really good. The staff was really nice. The restaurant was really cute. They had a little like photo booth there and all that kind of stuff. So I think it could have been a little bit more like obvious of what you were supposed to do, but I had a great time. So if you want to check it out, then if you're in Dallas or if you're visiting, I say check it out. It's probably a great place for like happy hours and tapas. So that's it. Just wanted to come on and wrap up the little mini vlog. And yeah, y'all, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.